Dear Third Prep, today we'll introduce a new lesson and the last lesson of this term, كل سنة وانتم طيبين, which is angle of tangency. What is the angle of tangency? We have taken before three types of angles. Two types of angles: central angle, which is the angle between two radii, then inscribed angle, which is angle between two chords. Today we will take angle of tangency, which is the angle between tangent, if I have tangent AB, AC, and chord AB, the angle between the tangent and the chord, it is called angle of tangency. So the angle of tangency here is the angle which is composed of union of two rays. One of them is tangent and the other contains a chord. This angle equal half the measure of contained by this chord. The chord AB makes arc AB. This angle equal half the arc AB. So the measure of the angle of tangency equal half the measure of the intercepted by its side. I have theorem here. The theorem here says that if I have inscribed the angle here, D, the angle of tangency equal to the measure of the inscribed angle subtended the same arc. If I have this inscribed angle subtending the same arc AB, so they are equal in measure. So measure of angle BAC equal to measure of angle D. Corollary. Again, if I have central angle subtended the same arc AB, so the angle of tangency equal half the measure of the central angle. So now the angle of tangency equal half the measure of the opposite arc and half the measure of the central angle and equal to the described angle if they are all subtended the same arc. For example, in each of the following figures, AC is a tangent, find the angle denoted by question mark. I want here angle D. Angle CAB here is an angle of tangency, and the angle D subtended the same arc AB, so they are equal in measure. Another figure, he wants this angle BAC, and the central angle subtended the same arc here is 110, so we can say that the angle BAC equal half the measure of the central angle equal to 55 degrees. Another example, AC and AB are two tangents. Angle BDC 65, angle E 115, find number 1 angle A. And he want to prove that BC bisects angle ABD. Okay, number 1, angle ACB. If AC here is a tangent, so angle ACB here equal to angle CDB because it's an angle of tangency, because both of them subtend in the same arc BC, so ABC here or ACB equal to 65 degree because they are equal, because AC and AB two tangent segments. So angle B is angle of tangency equal to angle D, and the angle C also angle of tangency equal to angle D, and both of them are equal because here I am in an isosceles triangle, because AB and AC are two tangent segments. AB equal AC, so ABC equal to ACB equal 65 degrees. Angle A equal 180 minus 65 plus 65 equal 50. So now I found angle A. There is another required. He want to prove that BC bisects angle ABD. Because DBCE is a cyclic quadrilateral, I can find measure of angle B because he gives you measure of angle E, and the opposite angles are supplementary. So DBC here is 180 minus 115, it's also 65 degree. So from here I found that ABC is 65 degree and the DBC is 65 degree. Since they are both equal in measure, I can say that BC bisects angle ABD. Another example, AB and AD are equal in length, A 85, ABC 132, and I want to prove that BC is a circle, is a tangent passing through a circle passing through A, B, and D. I will imagine that there is a circle passing through A, B, and D. and I want to prove that BC is a tangent to this circle. To prove this problem, you need to prove that B, the angle of tangency, DBC is equal to the inscribed angle there, A. How I know that A is an inscribed angle? Because here he said that the circle passing through A, B, and D. So A here will be a point on the circle. So angle A here is an inscribed angle. So since AB and AD are equal, I have an isosceles triangle here. I can find the other two angles, ABD and ADB, 180 minus 84 divided by 2. So each one of them here is 48. And because ABC, all the angle is 132, I can find the outer one. So ABC is 132, so I can find angle DBC by subtracting 132 minus 48 equals 84. Now, I have proved that angle DBC is 84, and the angle A over there is 84. So if they are equal in measure, equal to angle A, so BC is a tangent to the 3 points though, A, B, and D. And thank you very much. This is our lesson and our term.